A variable is a named location in computer memory that holds information for later use. Think of a variable as a box that has a name. The contents within the box can change, but the box name stays the same. In the example below, the box is named message. You could store greetings such as hello, hi, or goodbye within it. Variables are great because the information within it can change or can be accessed when needed. Next we will look at this same example, but in code. First let's create a variable with the name message. The data type we will use for this is a string, which we will cover more in a second. I'll assign the word hello to the variable first, followed by hi and goodbye. It is important to note that I declared the variable as a string on the first line, and then on the next two lines I only used the name. Once a variable data type is declared, it is not declared again. Let's go over some of the common data types and how they are used. In our previous example, our data type was a string. A string is great for text. However, what if we wanted to do something mathematically? You can't do that with a string. There are a lot of data types for numbers such as int and double. An int is for a whole number, such as 451, and a double can have a decimal point, for example 34.56. Another important data type is a bool. A bool can only be true or false.